स्वागत है आपका शॉर्ट हैंडियंस गॉट इट चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आ जाएं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। लेटेस्ट डिक्टेशन और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम पे आपकी डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू सो मच।
Ready? Start. At present, works are in progress on 7 medical colleges and 2 AIIMS, one in Jammu and another in Kashmir. Construction of IIT Jammu and IIM Jammu is also going on in full swing. The Sindhu Infrastructure Development Corporation has been set up to accelerate infrastructure and economic development in the Union Territory of Ladakh. Another chapter in this development journey of Ladakh is being added in the form of Sindhu Central University. My government is committed to sustainable development of all the states of the Northeast, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, etc. Honorable Speaker, Sir, due to the pandemic-induced closure of schools, our children, particularly in the rural areas and those from scheduled castes and scheduled tribes and other weaker sections, have lost almost 2 years of formal education. Mostly, these are children in government schools. We recognize the need to impart supplementary teaching and to build a resilient mechanism for education delivery. For this purpose, One Class, One TV channel program of PM eVidya will be expanded from 12 to 200 TV channels. This will enable all states to provide supplementary education in regional languages for classes 1-12. In vocational courses, to promote crucial critical thinking skills, to give space for creativity, 750 virtual labs in science and mathematics, and 75 skilling e-labs for simulated learning environment will be set up in 2022-23. High quality e-content in all spoken languages will be developed for delivery via internet, mobile phones, TV and radio through digital teachers. A competitive mechanism for development of quality e-content by the teachers will be set up to empower and equip them with digital tools of teaching and facilitate better learning outcomes. A digital university will be established to provide access to students across the country for world-class quality universal education with personalized learning experience at their doorsteps. This will be made available in different Indian languages and ICT formats. The university will be built on a networked hub-spoke model with the hub building cutting-edge ICT expertise. The best universities and institutions in the country will collaborate as a network of hub spokes. An open platform for the national digital health ecosystem will be rolled out. It will consist of digital registries of health providers and health facilities, unique health identity, consent framework, and universal access to health facilities. The pandemic has accentuated mental health problems in people of all ages. To better the access to quality mental health counseling and care services, a national tele-mental health program will be launched. This will include a network of 23 tele-mental health centers of excellence with NIMHANS being the nodal center and International Institute of Information Technology, Bangalore, providing technology support. Recognizing the importance of Nari Shakti, our government has comprehensively revamped the schemes of the Ministry of Women and Child Development, Government of India. In 2022-23, 80 lakh houses will be completed for the identified eligible beneficiaries of PM Awas Yojana, both rural and urban. 48,000 crore is allocated for this purpose. The central government will work with the state governments for reduction of time required for all land and construction related approvals for promoting stop.